drop, cargo, or ship style lang natin mabilis.
Balik tayo sa number 1. Ano yun? Last this update.
Number 1, last this update.
Nino.
Punta ka sa menu, punta ka sa chart. Then,
But, drop lang.
button,
ENC
Ituloy-tuloy
update.
lang natin to. Tapos, send ko sa inyo yung
update.
details.
Then, from here, you can
See, information. This is the last update.
the last update.
ENC update. ENC update.
Next is the
Summary.
total number of charge, which is ito,
127.
127. Current vector length,
The back. You can see it also. Here.
pwede dyan. Pero
Yan.
ang tanong
Enter
mo-
time. Like that, pinutin lang yan.
Ang
So, sit mo na
hinahanap
dyan.
ko kasi yung ano 6, hindi mo siya kailangan sa
Yes. Fix mo na natin to.
Next is what is the AAS navigation status?
Yes,
AAS navigation status, PPR AAS. Then on ship AAS data, you can see here at the navigation status at anchor. Next is the types of ship. The types of ship is tanker. The chart name and number on current position.
Okay, chart name, number, current position.
Yun, hindi ko alam.
Name, punta mo na sa gitna, syempre.
Home.
Pag
Naka-home na.
Pag naka-ship center, right click, cursor pick, chart legend. You can see here the chart name, JP24260.
Okay, chart name and number.
The bearing of the red buoy is very
Ito rin yung
you can use
bearing.
bearing. First of all,
BL.
please set up to north up with relative motion para mas okay ito. Nasaan yung red buoy? This is the red buoy. This one. Then, just common naman na yung magandang bearing, di ba? Which is ito. The PBL BRM. Ayan yan. Next is correct chart scale
Correct chart scale.
in your current position. Current position, pipilitin mo na yung home. Home.
Yes.
Then, ito, set up mo to sa from scale to nautical mile. Then, kapag nakaganyan na, pilitin mo itong to display the chart on the original scale. Go to the original scale. Then, ito yung sagot, 4.06 nautical miles.
Yes.
Correct the start scale. Next, starboard quarter is actually not starboard quarter, it is port quarter. Port quarter from your vessel here. This is the AAS. Ang sabi dito, acquire the name of the AAS. Therefore, right click,
Right click.
cursor pick. Then, check mo dito yung ba mo to? Check mo yung name. Meron dyan. Dito sa yeah. Yung object is what? Object name Tokyo 1 entrance. So this is ito yung name niya. Tokyo 1 entrance virtual AAS. Then set up the look ahead sector. Radius 3 nautical miles with 0.45 degrees. You have to proceed to menu.
Options.
And
Tools.
alert.
Where's the?
Alert. Then look ahead. Look ahead. You can pick whether rectangular or area sector. Then adjust your radius to
6.
Adjust your radius to 3 nautical
3 nautical
miles
miles.
and width to 0.45. So basic na yan. Next, set all special condition area as warnings. You proceed to special condition area. Below lang ang look ahead. Then meron dito, make sure na naka-check. At the same time, ito, i-set mo siya as caution or warning. Yung sabi dito, warning. So, yun yung gagawin mo. Activate the anchor watch radius 500 meter. Anchor watch, you proceed to explain natin ito siya natin.
Yun na pa rin.
Proceed to menu, may anchor dito, anchor watch. Anchor watch, you can adjust the radius of 500 meters. Next is set X north up relative motion. This is it. safety parameter, view, chart common. View, options, chart common. Next. Then you can set up the shallow contour based on the given. Next, custom display. This one. Activate the spot sounding. Proceed to chart display. Next, locate the spot sounding here. It's somewhere. I think over here. Somewhere in the middle here. Activate that. And activate that. Activate the spot sounding. Create the root. Alam na natin yan. Menu, route planning. May route planning. Planning, for example, ganyan. Kunyari sa ginawa ko na lang. Open. Kunyari lang. For example, like that. Then, set up mo lahat ng waypoints. Set up mo yung port XTD to 0.50 nautical miles, which is hindi ko pa na set up. Hindi ko na mag-set up. 0.50. Then, etc. For example, sabi ko dito, set up XTD, arrival turning radius. Arrival turning radius, this one. Tabi lang sila. Then, total route distance. Makikita mo ang total route distance.
0.50 ka rin?
Total distance. Then, save route. When saving the route, you have to change the name of the route. So, parang common na siya. Save route mo siya, and ang name ay nav6 like this. Monitor your route. When monitoring the route, punta ka ulit dito sa menu. Route monitoring. Monitoring, punta ka sa
Unload.
route. Punta ka sa, kunwari sa ginawa ko nila. New route. Ito. Open mo siya. Then, ito na lalabas diyan. Ito na yung, sabihin nyo, naka-route monitoring na. Next, total number of charts in your created route. Okay ba to? Di ba kanina, total number of charts, punta ka sa menu. Sa chart. Baba. Set this, import. Now, ito yung makikita mo sa summary, di ba? 147. Pero this time, gamitin mo yung route filter, new route, selected route, tama yung route na ginawa mo, kunwari ito. Therefore, ito yung mga gamit mong number ng charts, which is 7 only.
Status report to.
Next, filter AIS detection setting. You can receive AIS target using sector or ring filter.
Ito yung mga ruta. Ito yung mga charting namin.
Oo, pero para makuha mo yung actual na lang dito sa current position mo, first or pick lang yan. Last is filter AIS. Punta ka ulit sa menu, sa view, I think sa view option. Then punta ka sa AIS, where is AIS? No, sorry. Setting. Where's the setting? I think setting is down here. Yes, setting. You locate AIS filter. Here's a filter, is pwedeng ring or sector. So siya, kung makapansin mo, kunwari ring, tapos sinetap mo siya ng mga 2 nautical miles. Enter. May makita kang bilog dyan dito na color green or ano, kung ano man. Lalabas dito. Tapos lahat ng, kunwari ito. Angkor pala yan.
Sino hindi pa tapos na
Actually, tapos na tayo. Ayun lang naman gagawin natin. Sector mo is either sector or ring. Tapos kung ano ibibigay, kung 12 nautical miles or 325 dito sa ano. Then, that is all. Ayun na yun lahat.
Thank you.